To use a Cash App gift card, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the in-app prompts. Once you are logged in, tap the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Then select the support option and scroll down to the gift card section. Here you will find the option to add a gift card to your account. Tap Add Gift Card and enter the gift card details, including the card number and expiration date, as well as the security code located on the back of the card. After entering the gift card details, tap Add Card to add the gift card to your Cash App account. The funds from the gift card will be transferred to your Cash App balance, which you can then use to send money to friends, buy Bitcoin, or invest in stocks. It is essential to note that Cash App gift cards can only be used within the Cash App ecosystem and cannot be transferred to a bank account or used for ATM withdrawals. Additionally, make sure to only purchase gift cards from authorized retailers to avoid any potential scams. To check the balance of your gift card, go to the Cash App website, click on the gift card section, and enter the gift card details. You can also check the balance in the Cash App by going to the profile icon, selecting the support option, and scrolling down to the gift card section. When using a Cash App gift card, always keep your account information and gift card details secure to prevent unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues or have questions about using a Cash App gift card, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use a Cash App gift card to add funds to your account and take advantage of the various features and services offered by Cash App.